Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can export all of your data from DeepSeek to another AI service. So if you wish to export your data, then I'm going to guide you through the exact steps of the same. First, head to the chat.deepseek.com and then log in with your own credentials. Now, once you have successfully logged in onto the DeepSeek, simply click over to these three dots over your profile picture and from here choose settings. Now within settings, click the data tab and within the data you will see this export data option. From here you can also see the last export date and the expiry date for the same as well. Now from here you can see this is currently showing download button because I recently exported data. So first it will show the export button and after a while it will show this download button. So simply click onto this download button and it will download your data in this particular zip format. If you try to open it, you will see all of the conversations and the user config file as well. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.